Looking for a way into the digital world, specifically seeking the easiest online business to start with no money? You're in the right place, because that is exactly what we're going to talk about today. Many people think starting an online business requires significant capital, but that simply isn't true for all models. If you're wondering how to find an online business to start with, no money, and finally begin your entrepreneurial journey without financial barriers, keep watching. This video is dedicated to uncovering the most accessible options for you to start online business, no money down. It's important to be clear up front. No money doesn't mean no effort or no time. Every successful venture requires work. But if your primary challenge is upfront cost, there are genuine paths to launch a zero-investment online business. We're focusing on models where you can begin leveraging your existing skills, knowledge, or simply your time, without needing to buy inventory, pay for software subscriptions immediately, or invest in advertising from day one. Let's explore some of the best online business ideas, no money required to get the ball rolling. One of the most straightforward answers when searching for the easiest online business to start with, no money, is offering a service. This falls under the umbrella of a free online business to start. Think about skills you already possess or can quickly learn with free resources online. Are you good at writing? An online writing business doing freelance articles or editing can be started by simply creating a profile on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or by reaching out to potential clients directly via email, leveraging existing tools you'd likely already use. Similarly, a virtual assistant business offering administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients remotely requires little more than your computer, internet connection, and organizational skills. This type of online service business allows you to trade your time and skills directly for income, bypassing the need for product development or inventory costs entirely. This is a prime example of how to make money online, no investment in physical goods. Another highly accessible option, especially for those who enjoy teaching or sharing knowledge, is online tutoring business or coaching. If you have expertise in a subject, a skill, or even a hobby, you can offer one-on-one or group sessions using free video conferencing tools. Your main investment here is your knowledge and time. This fits squarely into the category of easiest online business, no money to get off the ground, relying purely on what you already know and your ability to communicate it effectively. What about marketing? For a zero-investment online business, initial marketing online business beginners can do involves leveraging free channels, organic social media posting, reaching out to your existing network, or creating free content. It demonstrates your expertise. This takes time and consistent effort, but it doesn't require financial outlay. This focus on organic reach is crucial when you want to start online business no money. Affiliate marketing is another popular answer to online business ideas, no money, though it often requires building an audience first. With affiliate marketing for beginners, you promote other companies' products and earn a commission on sales made through your unique link. The upfront cost is typically zero, but success depends on your ability to drive traffic, often through creating valuable content. This highlights that while the financial investment is zero, the investment in time and effort to build an audience is significant. The key takeaway is that an easiest online business to start with, no most money, is almost always service-based or leverages freely available platforms and your own existing assets. Options like freelance services, virtual assistants, online tutoring, or even creating simple digital products with free tools represent genuine ways to launch a beginner online business, no money required initially. Focus on providing value based on what you can do right now, and you can definitely start online business, no money standing in your way. So the myth that you need deep pockets to start online business, no money, is untrue. You just need the right approach and willingness to put in the work. Exploring a free online business to start, centered around a service, is often the most direct path. If this has shown you that launching an online business to start with no money is possible, give this video a like. Ready to explore more online business ideas, no money needed, or learn the next steps? Subscribe to the channel for more guides on how to make money online, no investment. What easiest online business to start with, no money idea are you considering? Let me know below.